G'day, it's SJ here, Managing Director of The Automation Girl, and today I wanted to show you a very simple webinar automation setup. Now this webinar has already happened, so all the videos are already recorded along with the workbooks to go with them. So this is for after the webinar has happened, and I just want to keep using it as a free opt-in. So first of all, I have made sure that I have set up a basic webinar form. So we've got that here, and that I filled out all the different options and integrated that onto my website. And then also I've made a pop-up that will go into that same page as well, and I can just use it wherever. So this is how people will get into the webinar series, is either by filling out the form before or filling out this form. So we've got our automation triggers. So I just need to make sure that I've added another one in. So it submits form. We don't want any form, we want webinar pop-up start. So we've got it so it starts up when people click the registration, and when they enter the pop-up, it will bring them into this series. So our first email that I've put in is the welcome, then it's going to wait for a week, second, wait for a week, third, wait for a week, fourth, and then it just pops them in for a year. I think I just did that for whatever reason. And then the only other thing that I need to do is add in a tag. So add tag. Got centered business, save. So that's now going to tag people when they come through this as well. Now, if I want to get super smart, I can add scoring. So if they enter this sequence, and this is for plus people, Active Campaign Plus accounts, I can actually add scoring to say that they've opened up all of these emails as they've come through, and give them a score. And the more that they do, the bigger score that they get. So I know that they're a really active contact on my contact list. We'll get more into contacts and scoring in another video, but that's just to give you an idea about what you can do. And so I will take you into, it's the same thing in every email apart from the copy is different. So I've put my picture, welcome, here are the topics, this is how to get into the series, a little bit about it, and thank you. Look forward to spending this time with you. And click here is just a hyperlink to a page on our website, which I've actually just popped all the videos on there to kind of save me time. But I can show you that. Actually, I already have it open. I was playing with it. So these are just the 4 videos on there. Very basic with the passwords and hyperlinks to the PDFs for them to download. And if I click on that, I can show you also, it's just the PowerPoints on this one. On others we do have actual PDFs. So yeah, that's it. Very, very simple. Make sure that I've got all these bits and bobs filled in. It's picked up a spam check, and I actually got rid of that. So I don't know why it's still coming up. I think it's because it's got that makes money in it, but I've not had a problem with people receiving this. And then other thing, sorry, that I also do is I do a preview on each email just to make sure that it looks okay on different devices. If that looks good, we'll just go save and exit, and that's it. So really simple, builds relationships, gives the contact information, which is really helpful for them, and takes them all the way through. And obviously I put call to actions on the bottom of them. So this last email might be an email that I need to have a look at. Awesome. Now, if you didn't want to send people to a website page, you can actually just embed links to your video. So this is just an example. You'd put your video URL here, so it might be one from YouTube, Vimeo, wherever it is. It will show a snap screenshot of the video, and when they click in it, it will take them through to the video, and then you can just have links to the PDF or downloaded content that they get with it. So it is literally just dropping access only to the videos kind of through the week. So it's up to you which way you want to do it. That's just the way that I've done this one, and I've done others differently. So just hit save and exit and we are all good. And so you can actually see who's gone into and who's gone through. I'm not going to click on it because of privacy issues, but you can see the contacts that have gone through that, and you can also view the different emails within the webinar and see which ones have had the most open rates. So it's the welcome that has received the most open rates, number 2, number 3, number 4. So yeah, that's really useful piece of information. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you need any help setting up automations for your business, feel free, or any help in relation to strategies or marketing or automations, feel free to book in for a 15-minute chat. It's free. It's just for you and I to get to know one another. If I think I can help you, I want to make sure I can help you before we go any further. And then basically, if I can help, I'll send you a quote. And also you need to sign a client agreement, and then we can get started. But I would love to help serve you in your business by making things easier for you, by setting up automations or just finding a better way to do things. I'll speak to you next time.